The next lesson that we're going to learn is about sorting in Excel. So I'm assuming that you've already downloaded this file that you see from the school webpage, and now this is how you do it. So we have just this chunk of information from row 1 to row 12. We're not going to worry about any of the stuff underneath this yet. So let's say that you had this information, and you have your student's last name, first name, age, jersey number. This is for like a soccer team, and whether the student or player is a boy or girl. And you want to sort this several different ways. So the first way is we want to sort it alphabetically by last name. And just so that you can see, I've got Susie McConnell, age 12, jersey 6, boy, she's a girl, in blue, so that we can be sure that we're getting all of that information sorted and not just like her last name. And I'll give you an example of that here in a minute. How you do this is Excel assumes that you have a header at the top of your information. So you want to click in the top left cell that you want to include is the header. Click and hold your mouse and select all of the information that you want included in the sort. And so go from your top left cell to the bottom right cell and include everything that you want in the sort. Now, this is the first row that I'm telling it to sort, so it's going to assume that this is not part of the sort, that this is the name of each column. Okay? So then you go up to Data and go over to Sort. When you click on Sort, here are your options. You have Sort By, and then we're really kind of more concerned about the order. So with these being the column titles, you can click on, all right, how do you want to sort this? We want alphabetically by last name. So we would click on last name. Notice that it's not now selecting last name, first name. We're going to click on last name, and we want it to go largest to smallest, or as soon as we click on that being text, it'll know, okay, do you want Z to A, or do you want it A to Z? So we'll click on this and go, oh, we want it A to Z. So we're going to do last name alphabetically from A to Z. Click OK. Yeah, we got Ashby Davis, and this is alphabetical. And we can tell that we got all 5 columns of information because I made this blue right here. So we can tell that Susie McConnell, is still 12, and jersey number 6, and a girl. Okay. So that's how you do that. So let's go on down and we'll go to the next one. It's the same information, by the way, but we're going to sort it differently by first name alphabetically. So we want to include A15, click and hold, and go diagonally, include all the information that you want sorted. So we're going all the way over to E25. And so we're saying, hey, Excel, this is the stuff that I want to sort, and here are the column names. Go up to Data, Sort. We want alphabetically by first name. So we'll go first name. Do we want A to Z, or do we want Z to A? Well, let's go A to Z, and click OK. And there we get first name, Abraham, Ashley, Billy. And you can see, again, that we have that it did all 5 columns of this. Okay, so let's go on. Now we want to sort the information from youngest to oldest. So that's going to involve our age. So we're, again, selecting all of the information, including the header at the top, the title of it. Data, sort by. We want age. And if we want youngest to oldest, it'll be smallest to largest. If we wanted the oldest, we would obviously put the largest number to the smallest number. But we want youngest to oldest. Click OK. And you can see 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. So we have all of our players by age, from young to old. Same way. Include your title of the columns. Select all the information. By selecting that, you're saying, hey, Excel, this is what I want you to sort. And this is oldest to youngest. So we want age again. Click on age. And this will now not be smallest to largest. It'll be largest to smallest. Click OK. And there we go. And you can see that we're getting all 5 columns because I still have all of the blue Susie McConnell, 12, 6, and girl. So it's not like messing it up and only doing like first name or age or something. Okay, next, jersey number from highest to lowest. So select everything again. Data, sort, jersey number. From highest to lowest would not be what this is, smallest to largest. No, we want largest to smallest. Click OK. So here's our jersey number. The person with the largest number, the highest number, is Billy Ashby with 14, and it goes down to Joby Davis with 0. Okay, now you can also do a couple different layers of sorting. So for this last one, we're going to sort by whether it's a boy or a girl first, and then alphabetize them by their last name. So we're going to select all this information, go to data, sort, and now in this box, we've only been doing this by one layer of, or one level of sorting. So we can add a level. So then we can go sort the first by whether it's a boy or a girl. Then we want by last name. Then after you get them sorted into boys and girls, then you can go last name A to Z. Okay, so here you can clearly see that it has all the boys listed first, right here, and that alphabetically by last name, Ashby, Davis, and then the girls are listed. McConnell is actually alphabetically before Smith, but it has the boys grouped together and then the girls. So this is the boys alphabetically, and this is the girls alphabetically. Okay, and then you're going to click on File, Save as Last Name, Sort, and then turn that in.